Hello dear students, I am Varsha Chauhan, your English educator, here with another video which is of determiners, and it is one of the important topic of English grammar. Let's start this video and let's understand what are the determiners actually. So first of all, we'll try to understand what are the determiners. See children, a determiner is a word that comes before a noun to show. First thing what it will show us which one, means which one noun we are talking about, which one thing, whose it is or whose that particular thing is, how many or how much, the quantity or the perfect amount, amount or the perfect quantity, it may be quantifier, it may be determiner of number, etc. So these are the things a determiner just demonstrators. So there are majorly there are 7 types of determiners. First one is article. In article we have also used in our previous classes. So many of us are aware with the articles, which is a and the. Okay, these are the general or specific noun. These are used before. Next is the demonstrative. Demonstrative words are these, that, these, those. These words are also point to the nouns. Possessive, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are the possessive determiners which shows the ownership. Understand? Next is the quantifiers. Quantifiers words are some, many, few, much, a lot of, any. These are the quantity or the amount showing words. Okay children? Next is the 5th one, number, determiner of number. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, first, second, etc. Here you can use ordinal number also and cardinal number also. Okay, next determiner is distributive. For example, each, every, either, neither, etc. These determiners refers to individual members. Next is the interrogative determiner. See, in interrogative determiner, the words are which, what, whose, used to ask questions. I hope this slide is clear. So let's go to the next one. To understand the determiners in a better way, I have a detailed description of each single determiner. So first I have taken articles. Let's understand these articles. A is a word used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. Understood? For example, a book, a teacher, a cup. These are the examples of article A. Next, we are having article an, used before a singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an engineer, an hour. So these are the examples of determiner an. Next we have the. This determiner is used before specific nouns or things that are already known or one of a kind. For example, before some unique things. For example, the moon, the earth, etc. Before superlative degrees also we can use the. Like the best, the tallest, the greatest, the most beautiful, in such a way. Next is before known or previously mentioned noun. This particular determiner can be used. I hope this is clear. So let's go to the next slide. Demonstrative determiner. Now see children, what are the demonstrative determiner? These are the determiner which help us to demonstrate something. For example, there are 4 demonstrative determiners, this, that, these, those. See the example. This book is interesting. So now this example is indicating about a book. So this will be the demonstrative determiner for the book. See the next one, that mountain is tall. So in this case, demonstration is for the mountain, which is the word that. Okay, so this is the demonstrative determiner here. See the word these. These flowers are fresh. Next is those boys are shouting. So those is the determiner which is demonstrating the boys here. I hope this is clear. Let's go to the next one. Possessive determiners. Possessive determiners, what are these? These are the words that show ownership or the possession come before a noun to describe who something belongs to. Means that show the ownership. They are also called the possessive adjectives. So here is a list of determiners like my, yours, his, her, its, our, their. These are some examples of possessive determiners. See the example first, I and my. Both are the word, but the suitable word is my here. This is my book. It can't be this is I book. Okay. So rest of the example you can read here. This is your pen. It can't be this is you pen. That is his bag. I like her dress. It can't be I like she dress. Okay. The cat licked its paw. Welcome to our house. Their car is very new. So these are some examples of possessive determiner. Let's go to the next one. Quantifiers. What are the quantifiers? Quantifiers are the determiners which tell us some amount, but not exactly the numbers. Okay. Quantifier includes the word like some, many, a lot, a few, a little, like this. Countable and uncountable noun may both be used with quantifier in possessive statement, inquiries, request, or the orders. Example, let's see the examples. The desk has a few books on it. Okay, so here are not the perfect number of the book, but we can see a few books were there. He had barely a few cents in his wallet. Please let me know. Here should be the word know. Please let me know how much money you have. So how much is a determiner of quantifier. This river has a lot of fish. So these are the quantifier words. Next we are having determiners of numbers. Here we can see in the examples a perfect number for the particular noun is given. See, let's understand what are the determiners of number. Determiners of number are also known as the numeral determiners. Specify the quantity. They tell us the exact quantity or the order of the noun. They include cardinal and see children, ordinal, cardinal, both the numbers can be used here. These words come before the noun. They modify indicating how many or which one in the sequence. For example, I ordered 2 cakes. See, here is a perfect number of ordering the cake. Perfect number, and perfect number of the cake is given there. There were 300 angry people present. So how many people were there? 300. Perfect number is given. Jane won first prize and Joe won third prize. So third and first both will be the determiners here. I hope this is clear. Let's go to the next one determiner, which is distributive determiner. These determiners specify how a noun or noun phrase related to each other members of a group. They indicate whether something is shared, divided, or distributed among the individual within a group. Common distributive determiners are including each, every, either, neither, both, and all. Let's see the example. Each student receive a certificate. Here each individual is being focused. See the next example. Every citizen has a right to vote. Here every citizen means it is referring to all the citizens individually, not all together. See the third one example. Both boys were chosen for the team. Refer to both individual as a pair. So these are the examples of distributive determiners. Let's go to the next one, which is interrogative determiner. In this type of determiner, the words that introduce question and modify noun. The main interrogative determiner in English are what, which, and whose. These are the main determiners which are interrogative. They function like adjectives, specify with noun is being asked about. For the example, what book did you choose? Okay children, let's see the next example. Which shirt is yours? Next one we are having whose turn is it to wash the dishes. So here in every every number of the example we have an interrogative determiner. Now here I have provided you a chart which will help you in understanding the determiner in a specific and most clear way. See, article we are having a and the, possessive we are having my, our, your, her, its, etc. You can see them all. Let's go to the next one slide. Please take a screenshot of this. Now here are some important rules to remember the determiners. See children, a determiner always comes before a noun. This we have learned in our previous slide also, the first one slide. This girl is smart. This is a correct sentence. See, it can't be girl, this is a smart. Understood? Our determiner always comes before a noun. We have to keep it in our mind. Two main determiners are not used together. We have to keep in our mind that we can't use two determiners together. Third rule is determiners can be used with adjectives. Yes, they can be used with the adjectives also. Like, these beautiful flowers are for you. So, these is a demonstrative determiner which is used for beautiful flower as an adjective here. Now here we have a practice exercise. Take a notebook and start writing the answers. Okay. At the last I'll show you the correct options which are correct for this exercise. But before that you have to choose for your own. I have dash apple in my bag. Option are A and D. Next is dash students were present in the class. Option are many, each and whose. Choose the suitable answer, beta, write down in the notebook. Okay. See the third one, dash book is this. Option is whose, what and some. Choose your answer please. Fourth one is dash of the boys has passed. Okay. Each, few, any. Which one will be the correct answer? Dash of the boys has passed. See the fifth question. She gave me dash pants. Some, much or these. Which one will be the correct answer? Please choose it. Okay. So let's have a look of answers. And will be the correct answer for the first one. For the second one, many. For the third one, whose. For the fourth one, each. And for the fifth one, some is the correct answer. I hope you have understood the thing. What is determiner and why and where we have to use it, and also the rules to understand and to use it. So thank you. This is all about the determiners. I hope this video would be helpful for you in your studies. So keep studying, keep making your things clear, and if there is any doubt, please just ask the question in the comment box. Thank you so much. Please share the video.